Welcome to this video on the Galaxy S26 AI Call Assist, your smart guardian for incoming calls. Spam calls constantly interrupt your concentration, and unknown numbers can cause unnecessary anxiety. The AI protects your peace of mind by answering the phone and screening the caller so you can keep your focus. The Call Assist function has 3 modes: auto screen for spam, call screening for unknown numbers, and text call for when you are too busy to talk. To turn on call screening, tap the phone app, select Settings, and then turn on call screening. You can select your language from the 13 languages the AI speaks, ensuring clear communication with callers. Inside call screening, select Auto Screen Calls, and then choose the types of calls to screen. This stops suspected spam automatically. The AI detects suspected spam and blocks phishing calls, allowing you to enjoy uninterrupted time. When an unknown number rings, tap the Call Assist button to screen the call. The assistant answers and asks for the caller's purpose. You can read the response on your screen. Once you check the caller details, tap the call icon to connect and start the voice call. If you are in a quiet meeting, you can tap the text call button instead of answering. You type a text message, the AI converts your text, and the caller hears the AI voice speaking your message. You can review the day's call history, including the transcript of the AI-assisted conversations, by going to the Recents tab in the phone app. The Galaxy S26 screens the noise, giving you absolute peace of mind and control over your time.